Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are checking out the Pikachu V-Box. This was released in March of 2022, March 25th, 2022, and I'm opening this today to finally congratulate Ash on becoming the champion. So the other day it was like the rounding out of all of the episodes for Pokemon, and Ash finally won his championship. So that's really cool. Congratulations, Ash. So let's open up this Pikachu V-Box to commemorate that win. This, like I said, came out much earlier this year. Here's the back of the box. It comes with one foil promo card featuring Pikachu V, one foil card featuring Mimikyu, one foil oversized card featuring Pikachu V, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and of course a code card. So now if you're looking at the cards, and I started doing this with these types of boxes lately. Actually, I'm just gonna cut to me opening this. I'll take these boxes and I'll actually look at these cards and see if I can actually pick up any spirals. I noticed I did that the other day for Target and Walmart, these retail special collection boxes, that you can actually take it, try and hold it up to the light and see if you can find any spirals. I got lucky with an Electrode V-Box that I did earlier. This one, it looks like I was not as keen to picking out a winning box, but that is all right. We're just gonna go ahead and open these up without hurting myself. I feel like they're getting like way more tougher with these boxes. Like they're making them almost like industrial strength. I'm gonna change this camera angle real quick. So here we go. Yeah, I am not seeing any spirals, but this is just the normal card. This is not the promo card. This is just a rare holo. However, some of these backgrounds, not the background per se, but the sparkle, if you will, do look a little bit different. So I'm actually gonna sleeve this just to see, because I like to have that in my collection if there's a different variation. Here, of course, is the Pikachu V promo. Question to the community, do you guys like to get those graded? I know a lot of people normally don't like to. I think it's kind of cool. I don't know if I will until the prices drop or whenever it makes sense, but otherwise I'm not really gonna go through the trouble of grading certain promo cards. But there are some, like the Charizard UPC that just came out, where people were really hyped about getting those graded, and it makes sense. It's really specific to the Pokemon, I think. Here's the giant card. Of course, this is just the enlarged version of the promo card. So this is pretty cool. Also, another question, would you guys get those graded? If PSA opened it up, would you get those giant cards graded? These come with 4 packs of cards. This one actually looks like it came with only 2 different types. So we have the Fusion Strike and the Brilliant Stars. Sometimes, much like our last one, there were 3 different types of cards, or 3 different series. This one, we have 2 different series, but 4 packs. We have the Fusion Strike and the Brilliant Stars. Both of these I'm really excited to open. For the Fusion Strike, for me, a good chase card that I'm looking for is that alternate art Gengar VMAX. If I got the Espeon or the Inteleon or even some of those rainbow rares, I would not be upset. A lot of these full art ones, the alternate art Greedent, that one's really cool. That Mew card is really cool. And with the Brilliant Stars, of course, we have the RCSV that people were really excited about. There's the different variations of the gold, the Galarian Moltres, Galarian Zapdos, and the Galarian Articuno. All the gold cards, the secret cards, are all really cool to have. This one has that alternate Charizard V as well, the Brilliant Stars. So I'm actually going to start with Brilliant Stars because I'm more excited, if I'm being honest. I am more excited to do the Fusion Strike. Let's not make a mess. I try and be as organized as I can. Psychic, Cafe Master, Chimchar, Baltoy, Axew, Nosepass, Snorunt, Reverse Hollow Execute, Haxorus. Please, Pikachu. I know you just won a tournament. It is not time to relax right now. This is tough. The Hisuian Electrode V-Box was also just brutal to us, brutal. I think these retail for about $20. Depends on where you're at. I know here in Washington, tax is like 10%. So you buy something for 20 bucks and there's almost $2 in tax. Oh, geez, I almost messed that up. Torkoal, Double Turbo Energy, Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb, Reverse Hollow Executor, and that is tough. It's tough out there. Moving on. Here we go. I'm very hopeful for these. Very hopeful. Although it looks like the packaging is really off. So I hope these weren't like duds that they're just like, oh, let's scrape together a pack. Screw it. Just throw it in there. So let's see what happens with these. Another code card. Let's see what happens. Fighting. Rookie, Microhita, Dreepy, Snom, Snorlax, Reverse Hollow Zoroark, not even a hollow. So far, both of these boxes and all of these packs have done me dirty, but it just takes one. It just takes one. These are like backwards, upside down. Like, why is everything being all weird? Zoroark, Chili and Sillin and Cress. Oh my. Funnelby, Reverse Hollow Diggersby, and
I love you.
Ayo, turn me up.
that was so tough. Man, I'm so glad that was like months ago I bought that. That was brutal. If you guys find these, I would still buy it. It's good for the collection. It's good for the heart to just open up Pokemon cards anyway. Thank you guys for your time. I greatly appreciate it. Be sure to check the links in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the algorithm in some way, shape, or fashion. And leave a comment. I'd love to meet you guys. I want to talk Pokemon cards and see if you also had bad luck with the Pikachu V-Box. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.